Parga, a picturesque coastal town on the northwestern coast of Greece, is a hidden gem that combines breathtaking natural beauty, rich history, and a relaxed Mediterranean atmosphere. Nestled between the Ionian Sea and lush green hills, Parga offers visitors crystal-clear waters, charming narrow streets, and stunning views from its hilltop castle. This town, located in the Epirus region, is known for its serene beaches, traditional Greek hospitality, and vibrant nightlife, making it a destination that appeals to every kind of traveler. This complete travel guide will take you through 12 must-see attractions and tourist spots that capture the essence of this beautiful town. 1. Parga Castle. The Castle of Parga, perched on a hilltop overlooking the town, is one of its most iconic landmarks. Built in the 11th century by the Normans and later rebuilt by the Venetians, the castle offers stunning panoramic views of Parga, the Ionian Sea, and the surrounding islands. Exploring the castle is a journey through time, with its ancient walls, watchtowers, and secret tunnels telling stories of its strategic importance in defending Parga from pirates and invaders. As you wander through the ruins, you'll come across cannons, cisterns, and crumbling stone archways, all adding to the castle's historic charm. 2. Valtos Beach. Valtos Beach is the largest and most popular beach in Parga, stretching for over 3 kilometers along the coast. With its golden sands and clear, shallow waters, Valtos is ideal for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. The beach is surrounded by olive groves and lush hills, creating a peaceful and scenic setting. Despite its size, Valtos Beach never feels overcrowded, and there's plenty of space to find a quiet spot to relax. The beach is well equipped with sunbeds, umbrellas, and beachfront tavernas offering delicious Greek food and refreshing drinks. 3. Lichnos Beach. Located just a few kilometers south of Parga, Lichnos Beach is another stunning stretch of sand known for its crystal-clear waters and natural beauty. Tucked away in a secluded bay, Lichnos Beach offers a more tranquil atmosphere compared to Valtos. The beach is surrounded by verdant hills and olive groves, and its waters are perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and exploring underwater caves. You can rent a pedal boat or kayak to visit the nearby Blue Cave, a hidden gem accessible only by sea. 4. Sarakiniko Beach. Sarakiniko Beach, located about 12 kilometers from Parga, is a secluded paradise that feels like a hidden escape from the world. Surrounded by lush green hills and olive groves, this small crescent-shaped beach is known for its calm, shallow waters and soft golden sand. Sarakiniko is perfect for families, as the waters are ideal for swimming and paddling. The beach is relatively quiet, making it an excellent spot for those looking to avoid the crowds. You'll find a few tavernas nearby where you can enjoy traditional Greek dishes while overlooking the sea. 5. Pasha Castle. Just a short drive from Parga, Pasha Castle offers a fascinating glimpse into the history of the region. Built in the early 19th century by the Ottoman ruler Ali Pasha, this fortress was strategically positioned to control the surrounding area. Today, the castle is in ruins, but its walls and towers still stand proudly, offering stunning views over the Ionian Sea and the nearby mountains. The road leading to the castle winds through olive groves and small villages, adding to the sense of adventure as you approach this historical site. 6. Acheron River Springs. The Acheron River, located about 30 kilometers from Parga, is one of the most scenic natural attractions in the area. According to Greek mythology, the Acheron River was one of the 5 rivers of the Greek underworld, and its springs were believed to be the gateway to Hades. Today, the Acheron River Springs offer a peaceful and stunning natural environment where you can hike along the river's crystal-clear waters, surrounded by lush forests and towering cliffs. For the more adventurous, you can swim in the cool, refreshing waters or even go river rafting and kayaking through the gentle rapids. 7. Antipaxos Island. A day trip to Antipaxos Island, located just off the coast of Parga, is a must for anyone looking to explore the Ionian Islands' hidden treasures. Antipaxos is a small, unspoiled island known for its pristine beaches and turquoise waters that rival the Caribbean. You can reach the island by boat from Parga or Paxos, and once there, you'll be greeted by the crystal-clear waters of Vutumi and Vrika beaches, both of which are perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and sunbathing. The island has a few traditional tavernas where you can enjoy fresh seafood and local wine while taking in the stunning views of the sea. 8. Paxos Island. Paxos Island, just a short boat ride from Parga, is another must-visit destination for those seeking to explore the beauty of the Ionian Islands. Paxos is a small island known for its charming villages, crystal-clear waters, and stunning sea caves. The main town of Gaios is a picturesque harbor village with narrow streets, traditional houses, and plenty of cafes and restaurants where you can enjoy local cuisine. One of the highlights of visiting Paxos is exploring the Blue Caves, a series of sea caves accessible only by boat. 9. Necromanteion of Acheron. The Necromanteion of Acheron is an ancient site located near the village of Mesopotamos, about 30 kilometers from Parga. This archaeological site was once a temple dedicated to Hades and Persephone, the gods of the underworld, and was believed to be the entrance to the afterlife. Pilgrims in ancient times would come here to communicate with the souls of the dead, and the ruins still hold a mysterious and eerie atmosphere. You can explore the underground chambers and tunnels which add to the mystical experience of the site. 10. Anthousa Waterfall. Anthousa Waterfall, located just a few kilometers from Parga, is a hidden natural wonder that offers a refreshing escape from the heat. This small but beautiful waterfall is surrounded by lush greenery and is easily accessible by a short walking trail from the village of Anthousa. The cool, clear water cascades down into a small pool where you can take a refreshing dip or simply enjoy the peaceful sound of the water. The area around the waterfall is perfect for a relaxing picnic, and the natural beauty of the surroundings makes it a great spot for nature lovers. 11. Krioneri Beach. Krioneri Beach is the main beach of Parga, located right in the town center. Despite its central location, Krioneri maintains a calm and relaxing atmosphere, making it a favorite spot for both locals and visitors. The beach is small, with soft sand and clear waters, and is ideal for swimming, snorkeling, and sunbathing. What makes Krioneri special is its proximity to the town's amenities, so you can easily combine a beach day with shopping or dining in one of Parga's many cafes and restaurants. 12. Venetian Well of Anthousa. The Venetian Well of Anthousa is a lesser-known but historically significant site located in the village of Anthousa near Parga. This ancient well dates back to the Venetian occupation of the region and was an important source of fresh water for the local population. The well is surrounded by olive trees and offers a glimpse into the daily life of the people who lived in this area centuries ago. Visiting the well is a peaceful experience, and the surrounding countryside is perfect for a leisurely walk or bike ride. Parga is a destination that perfectly balances natural beauty, rich history, and authentic Greek culture. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, relaxing on its pristine beaches, or enjoying a meal in a traditional taverna, Parga offers a diverse and enchanting travel experience. From the dramatic cliffs of Parga Castle and the tranquil waters of Lichnos Beach to the ancient mysteries of the Necromanteion, every corner of Parga has something unique to offer. This guide to 12 must-see attractions will help you make the most of your visit to this stunning coastal town, ensuring that you leave with unforgettable memories and a deep appreciation for the beauty of Greece.